Wow. What a great build. Real Hellbrowns, huh?
No, I had Mike Curtis. We did some trading. Mike Curtis Speed.
Yeah.
He made these.
They
These
look,
are one-off.
they do look outstanding.
Yeah, the gold makes them look kind of cool.
Yeah. What's done to the motor?
I think the body's really good. Sandy, okay, things
BEP
at
first, and then Mike Crawford. Roger Crawford. Roger Crawford's been over the last 3 days tuning it. It's a bit. This is all new Super Sniper stuff, and it's not blower friendly.
Really?
Yeah, well, every motor's different because it's a big motor. They don't have numbers, so we got to really play with it. I'm gonna go E85 probably in about a month.
This is gonna hurt.
So you didn't go with a Mustang. You went with a
Crown Vic.
Crown Vic.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a lot I need to do. Like this is not done yet. I gotta have this hood custom made for it. The opening is going to be.
Makes sense.
This opening right here is going to be like 3/4 inch bands of gold faded, like three different colors.
Just to strengthen it?
I'm gonna clean all this up. It's not gonna have any sheet metal around it. Or,
No molding or anything?
No molding. It's just gonna have the. I'm gonna have a Steve Van D